What's up, everybody? It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2020 Mule PRO-FXT. We've just installed the Ryco kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the street legal kit. What we love about the Ryco kit is the 3/4 inch amber LEDs that you can mount on the front. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole along there, you can mount those lights. You can see the placement. Our tech has decided to put them on this machine. Looks great on there. The Ryco kits do have daytime running lights on those 3/4 inch amber LEDs. You can disable that if you would like. Around here, the Ryco kit is operated just like you would in your car. Down is going to be left. And you can see that we've installed indicator lights up on the dash to let you know that the turn signals are on. Up will be right. You do have the horn button integrated into the end of the lever. It's a loud car style horn. Also, the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. The four-way hazards are operating. You can see the indicator lights up there on the dash. Around here to the front. Great visibility with those lights. They look really good on this Mule PRO-FXT. Around here to the back, what we also love about the Ryco kit is how it ties into the stock tail lights. Nice, big, bright, visible lighting there. You can also see here the license plate mounting hardware, as well as a cool LED to illuminate the plate at night. Here in Utah, this kit gives you everything you need to be street legal here in the great state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. You need one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a right view and a left view, or a right view and a rear view. It's completely up to you. If you have any questions or would like to get one of these kits on their way, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We have these street legal kits available for any ATV or side-by-side on the market. My name's Jared. If you'd like to talk to me personally, 435-851-3637. Call or text anytime.